All right, let's talk about e-commerce.
Well, China has become because China has become the largest e-commerce market in the world because we have the largest population. That's the main issue because everybody has to buy something or sell something. And the biggest player in China is e-commerce, and we call it the B2C, from business to consumers. And the number one is Alibaba. Alibaba in China is we are the B2C. There are two websites. One is Taobao, the other is Tmall, and they have a lot of hundreds of thousands of shops online, and it takes about almost 60% about the whole market in China. And the second one is a Jingdong, the JD.com. And this is also very good, but I prefer Jingdong because their service is very good.
Okay.
They have Alibaba, they don't have their own warehouse. They use a third party, it's a courier to send the shipment. But Jingdong, they have their own logistics. So it's very fast. And if I order here, maybe right now it's 11 o'clock, I order here, afternoon, I can get the shipment.
Wow.
It's very amazing. And because they have the warehouse to cover all the main city in China. Just maybe I was in Shanghai, I just order maybe in the morning, you place the order, you can see the time. Before, in the morning, before 11 a.m., you place the order, you can say, you can receive this order in this afternoon. And if you place the order in the afternoon and the evening before 23 p.m., you can get an order tomorrow morning.
So anytime you place an order before 11 p.m., you can get the order next morning.
Yeah, so for some urgent shipment, I can place the order this morning. I can get it this afternoon before I leave the office.
That's terrific.
Yes, that's because, I prefer Jingdong because they have their own warehouse. They have their own truckers. They have their delivery. All belong to themselves. But Alibaba is just a platform. They use a third party, They also use different couriers, the Chinese domestic. So they have some fast, but they not that fast like Jingdong.
So can a U.S. company upload their products and get them into the Jingdong warehouse?
Yeah, no, Jingdong, you can, yes, because a lot of U.S. companies, they have their shops on Jingdong. They sell in Jingdong. And Jingdong also, they have a lot of products I can place the order in Jingdong to buy the American products. Maybe just like a car made in America, I can place on there. And Jingdong will help me to import from US to China.
Okay.
They just tell me how many tax I need to pay. I just give them my ID number. They will finish anything. It might take a week or 10 days. It depends on the customer clearance.
Well, that might be a great resource for some exporters that are out there. If you've got consumable goods that you want to ship off to China.
Yes.
And we have another question that came in about the Alibaba. This platform, typically, we've got importers in the U.S. that go to this platform to search for a supplier. Can the people in China order something off of Alibaba, much like we would from Amazon, and that one particular good be delivered to their house? Or do you have to buy in bulk?
Alibaba, actually, they have two groups. One is for international business. We call it B2B, the business to business. It's for maybe you place or you want to find a vendor. You go to the Alibaba.com. But here is e-commerce is a B2C. It's from the factory or the shop to the consumer directly.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Interesting. And Amazon's a little player in China.
Yeah, Amazon is, I never buy it. It's products in Amazon.
Well, this is interesting. Lots of interesting facts here.